Ito yung speech ko, basahin ko na lang siguro. Tissue ba? Napapaiyak ako. We find ourselves facing the dangers that we have been trying to overcome for decades. Today, we take a giant leap towards ending the threat of communist insurgency in our country once and for all. Let me thank the public servants and the members of the local communities for being here to take a strong stand against the communist armed conflict in Region 8. I also commend the National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict and regional task forces for taking great strides in the government fight against communist insurgency through a whole-of-the-nation approach and the delivery of the basic services in the conflict areas and vulnerable communities. This gathering, as well as the series of barangay-level meetings, I will embark on nationwide highlights the importance of our people's participation, especially at the barangay level, ensuring the success of peace and development. Pasensya na kayo sa, I don't know, but yung pagaw ko, progressive, pagka-cancer ng putang ina, malaga. Gigaba, karma na doon sa We implemented the barangay